Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your Facebook page name in small few steps. Without further doing, let's jump into video. And please remember, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. I use mouse pointer here for your easy navigation. First, you need to open Facebook in your smartphone. After the loading the Facebook, you can see there is a profile icon in top right corner. Tap on it, and please remember, to do this you need to be in your Facebook page. After you tap on your profile icon, you can see there is a gear icon in top right corner. Tap again on it. It will redirect you to setting and privacy section. You need to scroll down a little bit until you find audience and visibility section. There is an option called page setup under the audience and visibility. Tap on the page setup. There are a bunch of options here. The first option, you can see the name. Currently it is as review image. You can tap on the view button. It will allow you to change your Facebook page name. You can completely delete this page name, or you can add something for this page. Kind of things you can do, but please remember, if you change the Facebook page name once, you can't change it until next 60 days. Don't forget that, okay? After you change the name, you can tap on review changes, then it will change your Facebook page name into new one. So that's all about today's video. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.